Get the kids.
We're experiencing an earthquake.
Hey girls! What? Come here. Do you feel the house shaking? It's just an earthquake. Girls, come here!
Hey. It's an earthquake. No.
That was fun.
That was scary. Sorry, I actually am an adult and have something to live for. I
I still have my whole life to live for, but I'm just saying, like, if it would have started knocking the mirror down, then I might have cried a little. But other than that, if I wouldn't have said anything, I don't think you would have noticed.
Yes, I would have.
Not until the bad shake happened, and then you would have been like, "What the? What's that?"
Then I didn't know because a lot of times I feel like I feel things.
Hey vlog. So today is the 4th of July, and if you saw from previous clips, we experienced an earthquake. So that was fun. The lighting in here is terrible, so sorry about it. But we're going to a pool party with my sister's husband's family. I'm trying to find toilet paper in here, but yo no sabes. Ow. Okay, I'll update you later, vlog. Happy 4th. Say whoa! Whoa! Let's go to the park. Let's take a walk to the park. Oh, there's a car. Look at me. Hey vlog. So this is my last night in California. I leave tomorrow my plane leaves at 1:35 to go back home to Asheville. And yeah, it was really fun here. I was here for 2 weeks. I experienced a lot. 2 earthquakes. Thought I was gonna die on the second one, but I didn't. I had a lot of fun with my sister. I say a lot, I'm real sorry. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Please like it. Tell your friends about it so they can come and watch it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, get ready for a super fun camp vlog. I'm so excited. Peace out, Mal Pals.